Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. So this is part two. After I load that video, I said in that first video that it would really be cool to make it look like he was holding the hula hoop or the ring. So when he's jumping through it and holding it, I didn't know if it was 100% possible, but if I took, I'm just going to move that out of the way for a second. I traced his hand out around his watch, around his thumb, and I am going to make a duplicate of that and put it back. But then I'm actually going to move this further over. And then I just use the intersect tool and it intersected his hand, just his hand. So if we look, now I'm going to take his hand and put it over there, but now I'm going to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. And now it looks like his hand is holding the hula hoop. I wonder if we made it a different color. Made it a different color hoop. Nah. Nope, you can't use white because we got a white back. Well, let's try this. Let's put it on a yellow background. Go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. And now let's make the hoop white. Doesn't do anything for me. Can't use black. Well, you could use black on the hoop. I keep hitting the left. I need to hit the right button. I guess red is going to be our favorite color. But doesn't that look like he's holding up the hula hoop? And if you took that hoop and made it like some other texture like a hula hoop, that would be pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody, and thank you for watching.